Hello and welcome to ProTrader. Today we're going to talk about EMA indicator. The Exponential Moving Average, or EMA, is a powerful tool in crypto trading that gives more weight to recent prices and reacts faster to market moves. Specifically, the EMA 50 tracks medium-term momentum to show recent price shifts, while the EMA 200 tracks the long-term major market trend. We use these two lines together because they help identify trend directions, spot bullish golden cross or bearish death cross signals, and act as dynamic support or resistance. The Exponential Moving Average is a fast and effective way to read trend direction. It helps you track the price trend, gives more weight to recent prices for higher accuracy, and helps you spot market changes much faster. Next, let's look at EMA trend direction. When the price action is above the EMAs, it signals a bullish trend, meaning you should look for long positions. Conversely, when the price is below the EMAs, it indicates a bearish trend, signaling you to look for short positions. Here we have the golden cross, which is a powerful bullish crossover signal. It occurs when the EMA 50 crosses above the EMA 200, creating a strong bullish signal and prompting traders to look for buy and long setups. The EMA can also act like a moving barrier, serving as dynamic support or resistance. In an uptrend, a price pullback often bounces off the EMA, while in a downtrend, a rally to the EMA often faces rejection. Finally, the death cross is a bearish crossover signal. It happens when the EMA 50 crosses below the EMA 200, generating a bearish market signal and telling traders to look for sell or short setups. To add the EMA indicator on Bitunix, click on the indicator menu on your chart. Search for Exponential Moving Average and add it twice. Go to Settings and set one line to 50 for medium-term momentum. And the other to 200 for the long-term trend. On the chart, the EMA 50 reacts faster to recent price changes, while the EMA 200 tracks the major market direction. When prices stay above these lines, it signals a bullish trend for long positions. And when prices drop below them, it indicates a bearish trend for short setups. A golden cross happens when the faster EMA 50 crosses above the EMA 200, creating a strong bullish signal for buying. On the other hand, a death cross occurs when the EMA 50 crosses below the EMA 200, serving as a bearish signal for selling. To find the EMA on TradingView, click the Indicators tab at the top, search for Exponential Moving Average, and add it to your chart twice. Go into the settings and set one line to 50 for medium-term tracking. And the other to 200 for the long-term trend. On the chart, the EMA 50 reacts quickly to recent price changes, while the EMA 200 shows the overall market direction. Price staying above these lines signals a bullish trend for longs, while dropping below signals a bearish trend for shorts. Additionally, when the EMA 50 crosses above the EMA 200, it creates a bullish golden cross. And when it crosses below, it forms a bearish death cross. If you want to step up your chart analysis with professional tools and clean indicators, TradingView is honestly hard to beat. I use it for all my technical setup work. If you are planning to upgrade your plan, you can use my link in the description to grab a $15 discount on your next subscription. Let's walk through a complete, step-by-step futures trade setup on Bitunix, using our current market conditions. First, look at your margin mode on the right side and make sure it is set to Isolated. Next, choose your order type. For this live execution, we will use a market order so it enters instantly at the current price. Then, use the percentage slider to allocate a small portion of your balance, like 10%. Before clicking the button, always check the TP/SL box to set your boundaries. Set your take profit target higher to lock in gains, and your stop loss lower to protect your capital. Since the price is holding near our EMA lines after a recent bounce, we are ready to click Open Long and enter the market. Once your position is open, you can monitor everything from the bottom panel. Size shows your total position value, including leverage. Entry price is the exact price where you entered the trade, and mark price is the current market price. The estimated liquidation price is the critical price level where your position would get closed out if the market drops too far against you. Finally, unrealized P&L shows your live, floating profit or loss in real time, while margin is the actual amount of your own capital allocated to this trade. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly platform for trading crypto and futures, Bitunix is definitely one to check out. It stands among the top 15 exchanges this year, offering a smooth experience for both beginners and pros. You can sign up using my referral link and code in the description to get a 5% cash back on your trading fees. This was the second indicator we covered in our lessons. If you haven't watched the previous educational videos yet, make sure to check them out. Follow us so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorials. See you soon.